across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew.
I shut my eyes, trying not to speak, pretend that I'm dreaming. I smell your breath, not listening, but I still hear you screaming. Going under, one step away till you hear what I'm saying. Sounds like thunder, and the clouds are closing in. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it.
Join me for a very realistic new mom of two, clean with me kind of day in the life, tackling all of the chores that I needed to as a stay-at-home but also working mom. Today we are starting out in the bedroom, and this definitely took quite a bit of time between having a newborn and a toddler. Things just take a little bit longer than they used to, which is totally fine, but we're starting out in the bedroom, tidying up, getting it all refreshed and cleaned, which just helps the day go way smoother when we can really get to cleaning. And then we're going to move on into the rest of the spaces.
If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, greener than gold. If someone had told me that I will be strong, I'm gonna rise and fly and leave the gold between the lines. I turn my head and hold it high.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, or if you're new here, hi, my name is Haley and I'm so happy you're stopping by on my channel. I love to share tons of cleaning motivation, decorating, homemaking, all of the mom life, and the mom life is going to be kind of more of what my channel is going to be for the next little bit, just kind of getting into a routine. Because if you are new here, I just had a little baby boy. His name is Wacy, so I am now a mom of two, which is literally insane, and he's starting to fuss, so 1 second. But we are finally starting to just get the hang of things. I've obviously been doing some cleaning here and there, being postpartum, but today I thought I would take you along kind of our afternoon of realistic mom life of two, and just kind of see how things go. I have a few things on my list that I would like to accomplish. We already accomplished one, kind of tidying my room, getting the bed made, making things, like kind of wiping things down, because in the middle of the night I can leave diapers or like milk can get splattered. So it's nice that all of that is taken care of. I need to start a load of laundry in here, so we'll do that after. I want to tidy Waverly's room just a little bit, and then some other things that I really need to get done today are the dishes. The dishwasher is clean, but we have a whole sink full of dirty dishes. So I'm hopefully going to get that done, and then just kind of tidy the kitchen a little bit. It's really not too messy. And tidy the living room. Those are like the main things that I really want to do, and just vacuum because I feel like it's a mess. I would love to tackle the bathrooms, but I have a feeling that's going to be like a tomorrow project. I don't think I'll be able to get all of that done today, just realistically speaking. So hopefully I can get what I kind of have said done. We will see. We are just trying to figure out our new normal and just figure out routines, and also we'll see if I will do it during Waverly's nap or what I'll end up doing. I might do part cleaning, part editing. I really want to try to get my massive deep clean that I did when I was like 38, almost 39 weeks pregnant, because that video is what you guys have probably already seen at this point. So I want to get that up and edited. I started editing it, but then never got done to finishing it. So we are just gonna see what this kind of day brings, along with just soaking in all the newborn snuggles, playing with Waverly. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to our day. Waverly's room really wasn't too bad, honestly. We usually like to keep it fairly tidied because she's more likely to actually play with her toys when her room is tidied up. She can see where all of her toys are at and then pick out the certain toys that she's wanting instead of just like trying to find the toys through the big mess. So we just needed to straighten up her bed and tidy things up and give her floor a good vacuum. So that's what we did in there, and then we're going to go ahead in just a second and we're going to start a load of laundry. Me and my husband's laundry needed taken care of, so we're going to go ahead and take that downstairs and we're going to get that started so that way that can be going while we're doing all of the playing, cleaning, feeding the baby, all that kind of stuff. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do now. And then it was actually approaching lunchtime when I started, so I'm actually going to start Waverly some lunch. I will eat once she goes down for a nap, but I just wanted to get her food. So I went ahead and one of my friends was nice and she made us a freezer meal, so we had happened to have that I think like a couple days before, so we were just kind of eating the leftovers of shepherd's pie. So easily just warmed up some shepherd's pie. She went ahead and ate it, and then I'm going to go ahead and feed Wacy here in just a minute. While Waverly is eating, we're going to go ahead and get his bum changed, change him into a different outfit, all of that kind of stuff. Now it's time to go ahead and put Waverly down for a nap. She's getting to the point where she kind of wants to be a little bit of the baby still, so half the time we end up carrying her in, whether she's wanting to go down for a nap or not. So today I had to lift her up. I went ahead and tucked her in, sang to her, and then we always play just some like background lullaby music. It just helps her sleep, and then it drowns out some of the noise that she hears, and that's just something that we've done, and it has always helped her kind of calm down. So now I'm going to go ahead and make my food. Okay, both the kids are sleeping, and while Waverly is napping, I want to try to get the kitchen done, unload the dishes, load the dishwasher, wipe the counters down, and then something else that I actually wanted to do that I forgot about until I opened up the fridge earlier was I want to clean it out. We're going to be going grocery shopping the next couple of days, and we have some leftovers in there, and just things need to get organized. I have a fridge full of breast milk because I do end up getting kind of like an oversupply, and we already have tons in the freezer, so I just need to kind of organize that and get the next bit in the freezer freezing. And then I also just need to wipe down this, and that's all I'm going to try to do while Waverly's napping, and then I'll edit and snuggle the baby while she finishes her nap, because it shouldn't take me too long to do that. So let's go ahead and get started.
If you need a hand, I am here for you.
If you get lost, I'll lead you back, yeah.
Walk that extra mile, I would do that too.
Just so I could be beside you.
If the end is near, just know that I got you. I'm your armor when things get tough. Know I got your back, your battles are mine too. I'll fight for you when things get hard. Lay it all on me when you're not strong enough to carry on. Baby, you should know I got you.
This was something that I definitely was meaning to kind of work on, get everything cleaned out, and I didn't organize the breast milk as good as I should have, and I have since added little containers so I can like see the different days that I have, because you do have to end up putting your like milk in the freezer within like 4 days. So it's important that I make sure that I'm not missing any of the bags because we just don't have a ton of room in our freezer. So I just have to do it slowly here and there. We're hopefully going to be getting a freezer soon. And then I did have to throw out our eggs. We've had them for quite a while and we just needed to buy some new ones. They had just gotten bad the last time that we had gone to use them. We were like, yeah, we've had these eggs for too long. Normally we can go through one of the big packs, but lately we just haven't been wanting to have a ton of eggs, so we will go ahead and just buy some new ones, and they're much better since going grocery shopping. But I just wanted to also just share the realistic life of I had to kind of take care of the kids. Really, I could kind of start by getting Waverly's room, my room, and the laundry started, but then I needed to take a break, help the kids. I could do a little bit more, and then I snuggled the baby while also like working a little bit, and then back to being with Waverly when she woke up from her nap, and then we could tackle more. So just know, if you are a fresh new mom of 2 as well, you got this. Things do take a little bit of time, but it's okay if you don't get certain things done. There is days that I don't get the dishes done in the day. There's just too many things, even though it feels like I'm not doing a ton. Just being there for Waverly and Wacy just ends up being a lot, and they're my top priority, and I want to make sure that they're good. So sometimes the housework or other things get pushed on the back burner, and that's okay. But we are moving right along in this kitchen. We're going to go ahead and get all of these dishes unloaded. And if you missed my last video, I talked about my camera being funky. It should be fixed in the next video, I believe. I think I fixed it. Hopefully, because it kind of gets irritating when it's going in and out like this. I don't know how the setting got changed, but hopefully I did fix it. So we're going to go ahead and unload those, and then we're going to, I don't know what I was trying to say. We're going to go ahead and wash all of these dishes in the sink. We had quite a bit of the pile up. We had just been piling them in and taking things out of the dishwasher here and there as we needed them. Now that I have the kitchen all cleaned, we're going to go ahead and me and Wacy are just going to kind of relax on the couch. I'm going to be by him, hold him, And then I'm also going to start editing my video that you guys have already seen. That's just kind of part of what I did for the nap time. I didn't do it the whole time, but just a few snippets here and there, just so I can get a few things done. And I'm so excited because my next video should be my living room fall clean and decorate, and I'm so excited to be sharing that video and just seeing how everything turns out, and then adding to just my fall decorations and everyday decorations as this year continues, because this living room kind of just is bare. We need to add a coffee table, maybe a rug, a few more wall pieces. I don't know if I'm really loving the window and like shutters. I think I'm maybe going to find something different for that. I want to find new end tables, just so many projects that I want to tackle. But now that Waverly's up, we're going ahead and just tidying up this living room really quick. And then that's going to wrap up today's video. Thank you guys all so much for being here and hanging out with me today. I hope you found this video motivating, and you can see that realistically I'm not going to get everything done in a 20-minute time period, having a newborn and a toddler, but we are tackling as much as we can and knowing that what we are doing is good enough. And I hope you guys all enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more cleaning motivation, mom motivation, and decorating, be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, you guys.
Don't wanna sleep tonight.